Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I assume that you all are fine. Myself, Ranjana Srivastav. I am your environmental teacher of Standard 3rd. I am from ICRA Primary School branch. I am going to teach you from the textbook Looking Around. The first chapter of this book is Poonam's Day Out. In this chapter, one girl is there whose name is Poonam, who have been at home for the past 2 days because of fever, and then she getting bored at her home. And we also come to know about different types of animals in this chapter. Children, so let's restart. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored, said Poonam. But you still had fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot, replied Ma. So, in this paragraph, Poonam used to say to her mother that she want to go to school because she have been at home for the last 2 days and she getting bored. Then her mother replied to her that she still have fever. So, go outside and lie down on the cot. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crows. In this paragraph, Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Then she woke up and touched her cheek and said, Oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crows. Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Which animals can you spot on the tree in the picture? Write down their names. So students, you will also have to write down the names of the animals by looking at the picture. Okay? So we will again come to at the point. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. But her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. Now Poonam picked up a leaf from ground and wiped her cheek with it. But her cheek was still sticky. Then she thought as the she used to go to wash her face in nearby pond. Which animal did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. You also have to write, okay? Students, I want to say you something that in this chapter the word animal is used for insect, bird, reptiles and mammals. You know insects like earthworm, worm, etc. Birds like sparrow, crow, pigeon, etc. The reptiles like lizard, snakes, crocodiles, etc. They have scales on their bodies, while mammals have hair all over the body. Mammals like humans, goats, cows, rabbits, monkey, etc. Students, can you act like the animals seen at the pond? Which animal make what kind of sound and movements? Try to make similar sounds. Children, you will have to classify animal into different categories, like which one are mammals, which one are reptiles, which one are birds, insects, and so like this you have classify. Different animals move in different way to go from one place to another. Some animals walk like dog, cat, etc. Some crawl like snake, crocodile, etc. Some fly like sparrow, pigeon, crow, etc. And some swim like duck, swan, fish, etc. Like this, some animals use their feet, some use their wings, some animals even take the help of their tail. You must have been many animals too. Write which of them. Which animal can fly? Sparrow, pigeons, crow. Which animal can crawl? Snake, lizard, crocodile. Like this. You have to fill all the blanks. Okay? Animals live in different places. Some animals live in the trees, some in water, some live on the land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. Some animals even live in our houses. Students, which we have already seen in previous paragraph. Look at the picture given below. Color the animals that do not live in your house. Here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names below. Now, who am I? Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given. Number 1. Banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Who is this? What is the name of animals? It's monkey. Like this, you have to find all the animals' names and put a circle around it. Okay? Students, page number 5 and 6 you have to do with yourself. Now draw a picture of animal that you have seen. Now next page. Spend some time under a tree. Observe the animals carefully. Name the animals which can be seen on the branches. Monkey, squirrel, chameleon, etc. Similarly, you have to fill all these blanks also. Now, arrange these animals in the order of their size, smallest being the first. So students, here our chapter is finished now. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.